Hello guys, my name is Marek and today I'm gonna do this unboxing of my brand new BMW 750Li model year 2013. So this is the box that I just received, and first of all, of course I need to do a little bit, here the first cut, and I hope everything will be okay. Okay, oh, I can see the box already. It's black. By the way, the color of the BMW should be also black. Okay. So let's put this aside. We don't need it, so let me just clean it here a little bit before we proceed. Okay, cool. So the box first. There is a logo on the box. It's licensed by BMW AG. There is a license number. Apart from that, there is not so much. It says BMW 750Li. Okay, 1 to 18 scale, and there is a link to the shop where you can possibly buy this. And yeah, there's also a logo of BMW and some Chinese symbols. I don't know what these are. And basically that's it. There's nothing else. You can't really say what's inside, but let's have a look. Okay, so we can open here, and I will do that very gently. Okay, gently and slowly, just as all women like it. So this is the box. It says bottom, and here top. So let's put the top on the top and proceed with the unboxing. Here there is a tape on both sides, so let me just cut this tape and reveal what is inside. Alright, that looks like very familiar to all other models that I received. There are 2 napkins, just regular napkins. I can throw them away. And there we go, there is the model. And there is also something here. It's called door opener tool. Okay, so I'll be using this one for opening the doors, or maybe not, because I have my own tool. And now the most difficult thing is always how to take it out of the box. Okay, without making it a little bit dirty, because sometimes when I take it out, it's already the fingerprints are already on the door, and I don't really enjoy that. Okay, so I will just take this and probably use it, because now I will really discover what this model is all about. Okay. Yeah, it looks fantastic, and we will just examine it part by part. So on the front, and maybe I will also show it to you, there is the license plate with the German D here. The front grille, pretty detailed and shiny, and there is the BMW sign, the logo, and the front lights. Okay, yeah, they are just, I would say, average, because sometimes if I buy a little bit more expensive models, there are no mistakes, and here I can see a little bit of glue. It's just a small, very small and tiny spot, but it's still visible. So there are some minus points already. The wheels are pretty amazing. I like those wheels, and also the brakes, the calipers, everything seems to be fine. There is a small BMW logo, and by the way, there is the BMW, there are the letters also, yeah. Okay, now we can see also the side of the car. And by the way, I'm really interested, can I move those mirrors? No, they cannot be moved. That's a big disadvantage, yeah, but okay, I'm still fine with that. Let's open the door. Now I can use the door opener tool, but it's not really necessary. I can also do it with my fingers, so it's really maybe just to show you stuff, but not for opening anything. And let's have a look inside of the car. So you can see the steering wheel, the seats, everything is brown, so this is the brown color. And in the rear I can see two screens. There is nothing on it, they are turned off intentionally. And in the middle of the rear seats there is something like a controller. And yeah, what else? The front seats, they have all the controllers on it. Okay, yeah, pretty amazing. But let's proceed, and I also want to check the rear of the car. Again, there is the logo right here, the license plate, the tail lights and the exhausts. Everything pretty detailed, but I'm also interested if there is carpeting in the trunk. Oh yeah, probably you cannot see it, maybe from this angle, but there is a carpeting inside. And recently I reviewed Audi A8 by Noref, and there was no carpeting. I was pretty disappointed. Okay. The doors, pretty detailed. There's the wooden decoration and everything like in the rear model. Yeah, now you can see also the air vents, all the buttons, also carpeting inside. I will also try to open this one and see again. Alright. Everything is so detailed, like in the real car. Yeah, I really like the way how they did this interior. It's one of the best. And to open the hood, there is a small button here. I'm not sure if you can see it. You need to press it, and by pressing that, it will just open the hood, and then we can see the engine. Oh, there's really nothing. I think there's something missing, isn't it? I think there's something missing. I just don't know what, but I don't think this is the way how it should look like. There's a cover missing. I would say there's something really missing on it. Okay, so just one more time. If you can see those small holes, I think, and there is a third one right here, I would expect a cover here with the sign BMW or with the engine type printed on it. It's just not here. I don't know. Maybe if you have the same model, please share with me in the comments if you have any kind of cover here, because this is just not right. Okay, and okay, let's go to see something else. I hope nothing else is missing. Maybe the exhausts. Okay, they are here. Sometimes when I buy a new model, those exhausts are already broken and I need to glue them in. But the suspension, yeah, this is superior. Great details here. And I think also in the front. In the front it's not so detailed like in the rear. And let's now also check if the suspension is working as I expect. Okay, the front, the rear, everything is working. Sometimes I'm also checking if the mirrors are really reflecting reality, and here they are a little bit, I don't know, dirty. A little bit dirty and not so much reflecting. I will just check the second as well. Let me just close everything. Can you see that? Okay. Not so bad, but also I have seen better. These are not real mirrors. There is just a sticker with the look of a mirror, but it's not a real mirror, it's just a sticker. Okay. But still good. I don't see any other major flaws except of this cover in the engine missing. Okay, here, let me see. There is already some kind of dust here. There's a little bit of dust. And the handles quite fine. And what I'm always checking, and sometimes I'm also disappointed if sometimes I buy models and here it's not in the line, here it is, so I'm satisfied with this one. On the other side, the same. And also the gap is not that big, I can accept that. Yeah, this is a high quality model, I would say 8 points out of 10, definitely, fully deserved. I paid like 130 euro for this one, maybe even less. I don't remember exactly how much I paid, but this is pretty decent, and I will just place it to my garage now, and I'll be very happy to have it there, just between my other models. Okay, and what I will do now is to place this brand new BMW just between Audi A8 and the Lexus LS600H long. Alright, so it will be right here, just between them, and I want to show you how it looks like in my garage. Alright, pretty nice. Okay, and I think that's it.